The Skoda Yeti is one of those cars that carved out a unique niche in the automotive world, blending practicality, ruggedness, and a bit of quirky charm. Launched in 2009, the Yeti quickly gained a loyal following, appreciated for its versatile nature and compact size, making it perfect for both city driving and adventurous off-road excursions. At the heart of the Yeti's appeal lies a series of engines that have powered this distinctive SUV, each contributing to its reputation for reliability and performance. Let's take a journey through the best engines that have ever been under the hood of the Skoda Yeti, keeping the most impressive one for the grand finale, so make sure to watch till the end.
But before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin.
Our adventure begins with the early models of the Skoda Yeti, where the engine lineup featured a variety of options tailored to different driving needs. One of the standout engines from the initial lineup was the 1.2 TSI. This turbocharged petrol engine might sound modest with its 1.2-liter displacement, but it packed quite a punch for its size. Producing around 105 horsepower and 129 pound-feet of torque, the 1.2 TSI was a great example of how modern engineering can squeeze impressive performance out of a small package. This engine was well loved for its peppy performance, smooth operation, and excellent fuel efficiency, making it a popular choice for city dwellers who wanted a bit of fun in their daily drive. As we move along, the 1.8 TSI engine enters the scene, offering more power and a spirited driving experience. This 1.8-liter turbocharged petrol engine delivered a robust 160 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, providing a significant boost in performance over the smaller 1.2 TSI. The 1.8 TSI was especially appreciated by those who needed a bit more grunt for highway driving and occasional off-road adventures. Its turbocharged nature ensured that power delivery was smooth and responsive, making every drive enjoyable whether you were navigating urban streets or tackling winding country roads. Of course, the Yeti wasn't just about petrol engines. Diesel enthusiasts found a lot to love in the 2.0 TDI engine. This 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine came in several power outputs, with the most popular versions offering 140 and 170 horsepower. Known for its impressive torque figures, with up to 258 pound-feet of torque in the higher output variant, the 2.0 TDI was the engine of choice for those who needed strong pulling power and excellent fuel efficiency. It was particularly well suited for long-distance driving and off-road adventures, where its torque and efficiency made it a reliable companion. The 2.0 TDI engine was also renowned for its durability and longevity, key traits that endeared it to many Skoda Yeti owners. The combination of robust performance and frugal fuel consumption made it a versatile choice, whether you were hauling a load of camping gear for a weekend getaway or commuting through the city on a daily basis. This engine helped cement the Yeti's reputation as a practical and dependable SUV that could handle a variety of driving conditions with ease. Moving into the latter part of the Yeti's production run, Skoda introduced the 1.4 TSI engine, which quickly became a favorite among enthusiasts. This 1.4-liter turbocharged petrol engine offered an excellent balance of power and efficiency, producing 150 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. The 1.4 TSI was equipped with advanced technology, including direct fuel injection and turbocharging, which enhanced its performance while keeping fuel consumption in check. Drivers appreciated its lively acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it a great choice for those who wanted a bit more excitement in their daily drive. One of the key advantages of the 1.4 TSI engine was its flexibility. It provided ample power for highway cruising and overtaking, while also being efficient enough for city driving. The engine's advanced design ensured that it was responsive and refined, providing a pleasant driving experience in all conditions. This versatility made the 1.4 TSI a standout choice for many Yeti owners, offering a great blend of performance, efficiency, and everyday usability. As we approach the climax of our journey through the Skoda Yeti's engine lineup, it's time to introduce the best engine that ever powered this remarkable SUV, the 2.0 TSI. This 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine represents the pinnacle of Skoda's engineering expertise, delivering an impressive 200 horsepower and 207 pound-feet of torque. The 2.0 TSI was the ultimate power plant for the Yeti, offering exhilarating performance and a truly engaging driving experience. What sets the 2.0 TSI apart from the other engines in the lineup is its sheer power and responsiveness. This engine was designed to deliver strong acceleration and smooth power delivery, making it a joy to drive in any situation. Whether you were merging onto the highway or navigating twisty mountain roads, the 2.0 TSI provided the kind of performance that brought a smile to your face every time you pressed the accelerator. The 2.0 TSI engine was also equipped with advanced technology, including direct fuel injection and a sophisticated turbocharging system, which ensured that it delivered optimal performance and efficiency. This engine's robust construction and advanced design made it not only powerful but also reliable and durable, ensuring that it could handle the demands of both everyday driving and spirited adventures. Reflecting on the evolution of the Skoda Yeti's engines, it's clear that each one has played a crucial role in shaping the vehicle's legacy. From the peppy 1.2 TSI to the powerful 2.0 TSI, each engine has contributed to making the Yeti a versatile, reliable, and enjoyable SUV. The Yeti has always been more than just a car. It's a testament to Skoda's dedication to creating vehicles that meet the needs and desires of drivers around the world. As we look to the future, it's exciting to think about what lies ahead for Skoda and their continued innovation in engine technology. The Yeti's legacy of powerful and reliable engines sets a high standard, and with Skoda's commitment to excellence, the future looks incredibly promising. Whether you're a longtime Yeti enthusiast or considering one for the first time, you can be confident that each engine under the hood carries a piece of this rich and storied heritage. And with engines like the 2.0 TSI, the legacy of the Yeti lives on, promising a future filled with exciting and memorable drives. In conclusion, the Skoda Yeti has proven itself to be an exceptional SUV, thanks in large part to the impressive range of engines that have powered it over the years. Each engine, from the sprightly 1.2 TSI to the robust 2.0 TDI, has played a significant role in shaping the Yeti's identity as a versatile and reliable vehicle. These engines have provided the perfect balance of power, efficiency, and dependability, making the Yeti a beloved choice for drivers who crave both practicality and adventure.